Hi, this is Vadim. In this quick tutorial, we'll go from start to finish together. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Very frequently, you may need to share Microsoft to-do list with other team members. Take a close look at this list, Action Items for Project Alpha. It has 5 important tasks that need to be completed, but I can't do it alone. I need to share it with my team members. Here's the account from my HR teammate. As you can see, she keeps her own personal list in different places. She has IT onboarding checklist, and that's her main focus. Even though I created my list already, it only lives in my account. My colleagues cannot see any updates, so it becomes a bottleneck. To share the list, I'm going to right-click on the list itself and select Share List. In the next step, I'm going to create invitation link. Now the invitation link has been created, and I have 2 choices how to share. I can invite via email, or I can copy the link and paste it into my own email. Keep in mind that even though you're sharing the list, you can still manage access. If you click on Manage Access button, you can limit access to current team members. You can always turn it off and stop sharing. But at this point, my goal is to copy the link and send the invitation. Let me click the Copy Link button. And my invitation link was copied to clipboard. My teammate clicked on the link and now will accept the invitation. She's going to click Join List. And the confirmation shows that she successfully joined the list Project Alpha Action Items. Now she is going to click the Open List in Microsoft To Do. As you can see, now she has 2 lists. Her original list, IT Onboarding Checklist, as well as the Project Alpha checklist. She can switch between the lists. She can add new tasks to the list. For example, she can ask me to identify key risks and capture them in Simple Risk Log. And once she added this task, it will also show up in my list. And when she completes the task, for example, schedule Project Alpha kickoff meeting with key stakeholders, I will instantly see the updates as well. We've basically created one clear place where all teamwork can be shared. This alone reduces the confusion and lets everyone know if this is on the list, it doesn't exist. Keep in mind that some organizations restrict sharing outside the company. If contractor can't join, they may need to be added as a guest to your tenant and use a parallel list. But if you are within the same company, you can easily create collaborative lists. This way everyone can add, edit, and complete tasks directly, instead of pushing everything through one person. And if you want to go deeper on the topic, make sure to watch this video next.